In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an unpaid Shein order. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap, so your unpaid order is canceled quickly and cleanly without guesswork. Start by opening the Shein app on your phone, or go to the Shein website in your browser. Either option works the same for this task. Make sure you're using a stable internet connection so the cancellation can process without errors. Next, log into the account you used to place the order. This ensures you're looking at the correct order history and that the cancel button will be available where you need it. Once you're in, head to the main account area. On the app, look for the Me tab at the bottom. On the website, this is usually labeled My Account near the top. This is your hub for everything related to your profile, addresses, payment methods, and order activity. From here, open My Orders. You'll see your recent orders organized by status. Locate the Unpaid section or tab. This view lists orders that were created but haven't been completed with payment. Select the specific unpaid order you want to cancel to open its details. Double check you've got the right one, especially if you've started multiple checkouts or carts. When you're sure, look for the Cancel Order option on the screen. Tap or click Cancel Order. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you intended to do this. Go ahead and confirm the cancellation. After you confirm, the order status should update to canceled almost immediately. You may also see a brief success message on the screen. Since this is an unpaid order, there's no charge to reverse and no refund to wait for. If you used a coupon or promotion tied to that order, it usually becomes available to use again, but exact timing can vary by region and promotion rules. If you don't see the Unpaid tab, that typically means you have no unpaid orders. If the cancel button is missing or grayed out, refresh the page or update the app and check again. In rare cases, unpaid orders can time out automatically, so the system may already have canceled it. If you're on the wrong regional site or app storefront, switch to your usual region and log back in. That's it. Open Shein, log in, go to My Orders, open Unpaid, select the order, choose Cancel Order, and confirm. Follow these steps and your unpaid order will be canceled in seconds.